Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you how to hand letter with Crayola markers. I'm going to compare the Crayola broad tips and the Crayola super tips. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. In this video today, I will be showing you how to hand letter with Crayola markers. I will give an overview of the broad tip as well as the super tip. I will write a few words with each of the markers, and then I'll let you know which marker I think is best for hand lettering. So since this is a hand lettering video, I have my usual supplies with me. In addition to the broad tip Crayola and super tip, I will also be using the Bien Fang marker paper, my lettering practice sheet, and my basic strokes sheet. I will leave a link in the description box below if you'd like to see the video where I did these basic strokes. Here's a close-up of the Crayola broad tip markers. And here is a close-up of the Crayola super tips. Now here's a close-up of both of them together. They actually look really similar. The broad tip though looks like it comes into a smaller point than the super tips. So now what I'm going to do is do some of the basic strokes with both the broad tip and the super tip marker. When you're doing hand lettering with the broad tip marker, and as well as any marker that doesn't have a traditional brush tip on the end, typically you'll write all of your thin strokes or upstrokes with the very tip of the marker. And then for any of the downstrokes, you'd want to use like the edge here to create those downstrokes. And again, I do have a Learn Hand Lettering Basic Strokes video that I will leave linked in the description box in case you want to head over to that video once this one's done and check that out. I go into a little bit more detail about the basic strokes and how to achieve them. So when I did the upstroke, like I said, I'm using pretty much the tip of the marker. When I'm doing the downstroke, I'm using this edge right here and I'm really like pressing on it to achieve those thick strokes. So now I'm going to alternate between the broad tip and the super tips marker by writing different words with each. So which of these Crayola markers are best for hand lettering? If you've used these before for hand lettering, let me know down in the comments which one you prefer. I do like both of them for hand lettering. I prefer the Crayola broad tip for larger lettering and the super tips for smaller lettering, but the one I prefer best would be the Crayola super tip. And the reason that the Crayola Super Tips beat out the broad tip marker as far as hand lettering for me, I think it comes down to the size of the marker itself. The Crayola broad tip is a little bit thicker than the Super Tip, and so I just find it easier to maneuver the Super Tips when I'm hand lettering. So this concludes the video of hand lettering with Crayola markers, broad tip and Super Tip. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Consider subscribing for more hand lettering videos and more art related content. And as always, thanks for watching.